Hi there, I'm Sharon and I would like to share a quick thought with you. I believe non-accountants can use Wave App Accounting to do bookkeeping. If you have been struggling to use Wave App Accounting for a while now and you would like to get your books up to date, then you need to learn how to use Wave App Accounting like a pro. When you have really mastered Wave App Accounting, you can easily use all of the Wave accounting features to your business's advantage, and you can also get access to real-time financial data whenever you need it. After 11 years of experience in diversified industries and using various desktop and cloud accounting systems, I have discovered the exact ingredients that really helps non-accountants to do bookkeeping by using cloud accounting system. So let me show you how to become a master user in Wave App Accounting. I have a free live masterclass coming up, and in this class you will learn the 3 secrets of becoming a master user, the most useful and trusted tool that every successful master user will have, and the single most effective way to be a master user. So reserve your seat today at nutsaccounting.com/wave or click on the link in the description box, and don't forget to join me live. I cannot wait to see you there. Bye!